Oh, I just bombed that out right there. Oh shit! I can't slow down anyways, gotta get brakes. This one hand's kind of sketchy. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! This is rough. That's rough. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, I just almost hit that truck. Ugh. Okay, slow down. Okay, that's enough. I'm not gonna be on this much more, but fucking A, this thing's fun. Stop. I'm gonna kick you first. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, this is a little fun, but I don't want to be on it too much. I gotta kick it first, come down this hill, or else it gets too fast and I bomb it out every time I hit a bomb. I can help have a little fun with this thing. No. Slow down. Okay, there we go. Doors having no brakes. Okay, yeah. Brake pedal's all I can press now. Yeah, I don't think the brakes are working too well. It's fun though, I won't lie. This thing's fun to play with. As far as just stopping it. I have it in high gear too, which is probably not the smartest thing right now, but stop. There we go. Look out the back window if you're wondering too. There we go. And that's how you stop it. Just shut her off. Okay, I gotta unhook the battery, tip the fuel tank up so it doesn't leak out, and especially because the motor's gonna leak out in the hot engine. Well, let me get this unhooked, and yeah, hold on. She's fun. For only being 192 straight 6, you can kick up some mud with it. Okay, well, I won't lie, I'm not gonna do this much. This is probably the only ever time you're gonna see me really beat on this truck. It's fun, but it's gonna be my work truck, so I don't want to destroy it. Not yet. So, I would say like and subscribe if you want to see more, but you're not gonna see much more of this, at least with this vehicle. If I get another beater vehicle that I don't care about at all, you'll see a lot more of that. But yeah, so like and subscribe if you want to see me more fixing on this than beating on it. Main thing I was worried about when doing this, I completely overlooked it. Oh shit. Yeah, I'm not gonna do much more driving like that. Oh shit, yeah. Well, it's not doing much more driving at all until that's fixed, because the leaf spring here is about to snap. So